Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. This is just a recap from yesterday's live, speaking on vision boards, whether you're doing a digital or a poster board. So I hope you enjoy the video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. See you soon. Cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that day. So the first thing you want to do is choose a quiet place with a nice view so the thought process can really be just comfortable and the things that you want to add, the goals to your vision board, can come easy. Then you grab you something to drink, a pen, some highlighters, a notebook or journal, laptop, iPad, etc., whatever you use to get your graphics from. And start thinking, and then you can choose from either options that are here. Remember, these are short-term goals that can lead up to your long-term goals, so don't be so hard and pile too much on your plate. It's just for 2023, and just relax and think it through of what you would like to accomplish. Nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works. As you can see, there are so many goal and life domains that you can choose from. Just take your time. Check out my community wall for more examples and great tools to use during creating your vision board. If you're doing a poster board, here's a checklist for you. And thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I hope that you stay encouraged. I hope that this video was a little helpful, and those who are joining me on this journey of Women's Month, I think that you wanted me to do this short, so here you go, and I hope you enjoy it. And I can't wait until April 1st till we all get together and we can view each other's vision boards, whether it's digital or poster board. So happy vision boarding. I will see you guys soon, and don't forget, there is a surprise at the end of this journey together. So I love you, stay blessed, and peace out until next time, y'all. Later. See y'all next time. Thanks for watching.